today we'll talk about how can you disable Ecliptic on your Star Workshop app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click in this sign down here. Sorry, you click here on this sign. And you just click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Click here on settings, you come to next tip here, come here to Ecliptic here, click in this sign or this color. Like you see color it's gone, that's mean Ecliptic disable with us now. So that's all you have to do, that's all. So to disable elliptic here on your Star Workshop app, that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.